Hi, boys and girls. Today, we are going to learn how to do long division. You can click on the link in the description to download this template for free. When you are learning how to do long division at first, always use the templates to help you stay on track. They will show you exactly what to do at every step. You can print them and place them in a plastic sleeve. Then, write division problems onto them in dry erase marker. Before we begin, let's start by reviewing the words for the different numbers in division. The number outside of the division bracket on the left is called the divisor. The OR ending means it is doing an action. Just like an actor or a supervise or, the divise or is doing the action of dividing. The number inside of the division bracket is the dividend. It is the number that is getting divided. Look at how there is only a one-letter difference between the word dividend and the word divided. When you solve a division problem, you have figured out how much is being handed out to each group. The number that goes on top of the division bracket is the quotient. It is the answer to the division problem. If you are dividing 12 cookies among 3 people, the solution to the problem is to present 4 cookies to each of them. Now, have you ever noticed that a division bracket looks a little bit like a diving board? Let's imagine that the divisor is a diver who is about to jump in. The diver dives into the deep end. The goal of division is to figure out how many times that diver can dive into the deep end of the pool, or how many times that divisor will fit into the dividend. The diver can dive into the deep end 4 times: 3, 6, 9, 12. So that is the quotient that gets splashed up. When you are dividing, you will not always get an exact fit. You have to choose the number of times the divisor can fit into the dividend without going over. 5 can fit into 16 3 times. 5, 10, 15. 15 is just a little bit less than 16. But it cannot fit in 4 times, because that would be 5, 10, 15, 20. Never try to squeeze more divers into the deep end than will fit. Remember, division is just multiplication in reverse. You can use multiplication to find the quotient to a division problem. It is okay to have leftover room in the deep end, but you do not want to not fit in the deep end. When choosing between the number that will get you just above or just below the dividend, always choose the number that is just below. If you have no idea what number to start with when dividing, just use your magic high 5. Start by multiplying the divisor by 5. Is it too high or too low? It's too low, so let's try something higher. 4 times 6 equals 24. Can we go even higher? Let's see. 4 times 7 equals 28. 28 is greater than 27, so that means 4 cannot fit into 27 7 times. So the highest number we can use is 6. You did a great job practicing your long division skills today. See you next time. Bye.